Have you ever been out in nature, heard a beautiful or intriguing bird song, and wished you knew which feathered friend was making that sound? Imagine having an expert right there with you to identify it instantly. Well, you can. The great news is that you absolutely can upload bird sound files for analysis, transforming those mysterious calls into identifiable songs and helping you connect more deeply with the avian world around you. This incredible capability is powered by advanced technology, primarily artificial intelligence, or AI. These sophisticated algorithms analyze the unique characteristics of your recorded bird vocalizations, such as pitch, rhythm, and frequency patterns. They then compare these features against extensive databases of known bird sounds, allowing for highly accurate matching and identification. To do this, you will primarily use specialized bird identification applications. Popular choices include Merlin Bird ID from the Cornell Lab of Ornithology and BirdNet, which is developed by Chemnitz University of Technology and the Cornell Lab. The process is straightforward. First, open the app on your smartphone or device. Next, record the bird sound directly within the app, or if you have a pre-recorded file, many apps allow you to import it. Once recorded or uploaded, the app processes the audio and presents you with potential matches, often displaying confidence levels and spectrograms to help confirm the identification. These tools not only enhance your personal birding experience but also contribute to a larger understanding of avian life. By using these apps, you are often participating in citizen science. Your recordings help populate vast sound libraries, providing valuable data to researchers tracking bird populations, migratory patterns, and even understanding the broader acoustic soundscapes of different ecosystems. So, whether you are a seasoned birder or just starting, leveraging sound analysis apps is a fantastic way to sharpen your identification skills, appreciate the intricate symphony of nature, and actively contribute to bird conservation efforts. It is like having a personal bird guide and a scientific assistant all in one.